I'm headed to a location in the sizzling hot West Loop that's across the street from Ariana's Grocery and Mary Bartonley Park, and a short walk from Randolph Street's Restaurant Row, for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's short-term apartments at the full amenity new Porte. Porte has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The well-equipped fitness center has cardio and strength training equipment and a separate yoga studio. Porte's sunset deck has skyline views and an adjacent 17th floor lounge. The third floor lounge has a gaming area, a media area with a large screen TV, and a kitchen dining area. The lounge is open to a rambling outdoor deck with a pool and grilling areas. The ground level bike room has a workstation and direct outdoor access. Porte is pet friendly, and there's a popular dog park across the street. I'm in apartment 518, a studio with a sleeping alcove, looking west toward floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. Lawn plank flooring throughout the apartment. Turning for a look at a very sleek and well-equipped kitchen. It's a 4-burner gas range, cabinet front dishwasher, over-under refrigerator freezer, built-in microwave, really good cabinet and counter space. There's a tile backsplash, and since it's a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, etc. that you're going to want to feel instantly at home. Quartz counters. Looking toward the sleeping alcove, set up with a queen-size bed, nightstand. Turning for a look at the entryway. It's a home office desk set up. Off to my right is a very stylish bath. Tile up to the ceiling, and the frameless glass door shower has a rain shower head. And a designer mirror above a nice sized vanity. Turning into the entry closet, laundry room. Set up with vacuum, ironing board, spare lights, and linens, and a front-loading full-size washer-dryer. It's a very attractive unit in a very appealing location, and since it's Sweet Home Chicago, you can be sure it's a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home Chicago's website to see many more city and suburban apartments